Today we're going to cook green beans, and I have a little bit of oil, little bit of cumin seed, and a little bit of asafoetida to this. I'm going to add some onion, ginger, garlic, and if you cook your green beans like this, you are going to eat them often. So I added my one onion and a little bit of ginger and garlic. I'm going to saute them till they are brown, and then I'm going to add my cut green beans with potatoes. So I added my green beans and potatoes, and then I added some spices, salt, turmeric, garam masala, and some vegetable masala. You can add any kind of spice blend which is available at the market. And now I'm going to add about half cup of water and just cover it and let it cook for 10-15 minutes. So here's our wonderful hot steamy beans and potato curry, and it's very easy, simple to make, and very tasty. And if you eat beans like this once, you will always eat beans. Even your children will eat beans. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye.